Sapphires are gemstones of captivating beauty. Their blue hues, ranging from pale sky blue to deep indigo, have captivated people for centuries. Often associated with royalty, wisdom, and fidelity, sapphires hold a unique place in history and folklore. But these precious stones are much more than just beautiful objects. They are tangible connections to the Earth's geological processes, formed over millions of years. Sapphires belong to the corundum family of minerals. Corundum is an extremely hard mineral, second only to diamond. This hardness makes sapphires durable and suitable for various uses, from jewelry to industrial applications. While blue is the most famous color for sapphires, they occur in a rainbow of hues, each with its own unique charm. The word sapphire originates from the Greek word sapphiros, meaning blue stone. This name reflects the gemstone's most recognizable characteristic. For centuries, sapphires have been prized for their intense color and brilliance, symbolizing truth, loyalty, and nobility. The history of sapphires intertwines with ancient civilizations and powerful empires. Greeks and Romans linked sapphires to Apollo, the god of prophecy. Kings and queens adorned themselves with sapphires for good fortune. The British crown jewels feature many impressive sapphires. The most famous is the St. Edward's sapphire, a 170-carat stone. In ancient Persia, people believed the earth rested on a giant sapphire. Sapphires form deep within the Earth's crust under intense heat and pressure. They are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, often in alluvial deposits where erosion has carried them from their original source. The beautiful blue color of sapphires comes from trace amounts of iron and titanium within the corundum crystal structure. Sapphires are found in several locations worldwide, each with unique geological characteristics. Madagascar is currently one of the most important sapphire sources, producing a wide range of colors and clarities. Other significant sapphire deposits are found in Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Australia, and the United States, particularly Montana. The mining process for sapphires can be labor-intensive, often involving artisanal miners who work by hand to extract the precious stones from the earth. Once mined, sapphires are carefully sorted, cut, and polished to enhance their natural beauty and brilliance. Stars of the sapphire world. Notable gems and their tales. Certain sapphires have achieved legendary status due to their size, color, or historical significance. The Logan sapphire, at 423 carats, is one of the largest faceted blue sapphires globally. This gem, a gift to the Smithsonian, showcases the allure of blue sapphires. The Star of India, a 563-carat star sapphire, displays asterism. Housed at the American Museum of Natural History, its origins date back centuries. Section 5. An Enduring Fascination. The magic of sapphires. Sapphires continue to captivate us with their mesmerizing beauty, rich history, and enduring symbolism. Their connection to royalty, wisdom, and fidelity has cemented their place as one of the most sought-after gemstones in the world. Whether adorning crowns, gracing engagement rings, or simply admired for their natural splendor, sapphires hold a timeless allure. Perhaps it is their deep blue hues, reminiscent of the vast ocean or the starlit night sky, that evoke a sense of wonder and awe. Or maybe it is their durability, their ability to withstand the test of time, that makes them feel like tangible pieces of history. Whatever the reason, sapphires continue to fascinate and inspire, reminding us of the Earth's beauty and the enduring power of nature's creations.